Very good. Okay, so we got the 1976 XT500 and the 1976, sorry, let me start that again. 1976 XT500, 1980 XT250. Basically, everybody who owns this bike wants to own that bike.
That was terrifying.
I think it's the originals. Wow, this is turning into a great little trail. Yeah. Ooh, get some air off that center one, buddy. Yeah. I think it's gonna be too bad. I'll, you know. What is going on with you? Oh yeah? It's just kicking it up, eh? Hit it with speed. Oh no! Fuck. Come on. Yeah, there we go. There'll be no question when people watch this who's better on their XT. It's you. I'm coming. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh shit, sorry. Oh, very good. We can't just go straight at that. I know. Okay, good news is it's not long. This is actually pretty solid. Yeah. It looks like you could skirt to the right. Oh. It's mud. Oh. Okay, left side's a no-go. I can't even get my feet up out of this shit. It's like that mud. You know what I mean? That sink in and destroy ya mud. This is nice and rocky. Big rock there.